Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus unboxings and first impressions coming up right now. Let's go. So what is up, guys? Nick here from Everything Tech, help you to master your technology, and welcome to the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus unboxing and first impression video. Now, I decided to go with the S8 Plus because I'm not a big fan of smaller phones anymore. I do like small phones from time to time, but as my main daily driver for my business as well as for my life, I do like bigger phones these days. So you can see I do have the S8 Plus and pretty nice packaging, as has been done on the S7 Edge as well as the S7. You can see Galaxy S8 Plus here, S8 Plus in blue, in 64 gigabytes. I did go with the Arctic Silver Edition, as you can see right there, and I do have the AT&T logo. This is an AT&T device. Taking over to the back, you guys can go ahead and pause and read for yourself, but I'm sure you know what specs come with the S8 based on all the media that has been flooding your feed with this phone. So you can see 4G LTE capable, a 6.2-inch full rectangle display, 6.1 inch at the rounded corners, quad HD plus super AMOLED display, 12 megapixel dual main camera, 8 megapixel front facing camera, IP68 dust and water resistance. So this is very water and dust resistance. Nice stuff there, Samsung. Iris scanner, secured by Samsung Knox, 64 gigabytes of memory with support for micro SD cards, so a creator's dream phone here. 4 gigabytes of RAM, Samsung Pay, wireless charging pad required, that's sold separately, an Android operating system, and earphones by AKG. So that's a nice inclusion to get these high quality earphones in the box of the Galaxy S8 Plus. In addition, with this pre-order, I did receive the Samsung Gear VR with controller powered by Oculus, and you can see it does say cinematic wide view and immersive 360 experience. And I'm going to talk more about this in a separate video. I'm going to do a separate unboxing of the Gear VR because I didn't want to divert the focus from the phone onto the Gear VR in this video. So we will be covering that in a separate video. Stay tuned. Okay, so getting to the actual unboxing itself, this is nicely tight and securely packed, so very nice stuff here on the unboxing experience. And you can see it's a little bit cardboard tab that goes around the box here, and you can see Samsung there in black. And let's see if the Arctic Silver does give you the black micro USB cord as well as the black charging cord. So very tight. This is one of the tightest boxes I have ever felt. Honestly, Samsung, well done. So right there, it goes from the side, so it's actually not a push-out box. It goes from the side there, and you can see, let's get started. Like a navy blue box here, and it says let's get started here. I'm really hoping there's not an AT&T logo on the back of this, but if there is, then there is. So there is the S8 Plus right there. It can't wait, and you can see distracted driving is never okay here. And you can see it does not have an AT&T logo. It does say Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus fingerprint scanner, and you can see beautiful, gorgeous phone right there in the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus in silver. So let's go ahead and put that off to the side really quickly here and go inside the casing here. So under this, you're going to find nothing there. Of course, you're going to find yourself an AT&T SIM card or whatever carrier went with. You're going to find that. Over here is another tab here. It does give you a SIM card tool here. I'll go ahead and open this up. Let's see what comes in here. So here we go. You can see we do get a charger that is black, and this is very nice to see. Especially to see the depth of that charger in the box as well. Because those white chargers, they just get too very easy. So right here, you do have a USB OTG for transferring files. Nice inclusion there for our Samsung Galaxy. Over here, we do have a USB. Looks like a USB-C. So right here, you should see our headphones, and there they are. I will do a separate review of the headphones and stuff like that. I'm not an audio head, but I do know what quality headphones are. These are quality headphones. Right here is the USB charging port that is going to go with that adaptive fast charger. So very well packaged, very clean, and that's pretty much all you get in the box. Let's check out the phone, what we really can do. Here is the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus and all of its Infinity Display glory. Let's go ahead and peel the tabs off. Let's go once in a lifetime experience here for the phone. We're not super plasticky, not the most plasticky peel off on the first smartphone I've ever heard, but hey, it's gone now. Now let's focus on the phone. So let's go ahead and power it up for the first time. I can tell you on my first impressions, I am blown away by this technology. I do have an iPhone 7 Plus right here next to me where I haven't shot this before. And you can see this phone is like identical in height. Look at the width. Much improved over the iPhone 7. You have a this is definitely going to become a everyday smartphone if it performs as well as it. So there is that display that covers the entire phone. Punch on the Wi-Fi. I'm going to go ahead and set that up and I'll be back in the car. Alright guys, so we are now in the Samsung Galaxy S8. Guys, this camera is just not doing the phone. You really got to play with this smartphone in hand to experience the level of innovation that Samsung really put into this smartphone. I feel like Samsung was first this year, 2017. This phone is blowing the iPhone 7 Plus out of the water, especially build quality. I wouldn't say so much build quality, but the hardware on this phone is just totally good. It just wraps like no other phone. You know if a lot of smartphones. Now the software remains to be seen in the upcoming review if this phone is going to be a much better smartphone than say the latest iPhone 7 in terms of software, because now the iPhone 7 Plus does compete directly with this smartphone. But you can see going around the edge, we do have our Bixby button right there. We'll talk more about Bixby coming up. The volume rocker switches, the fingerprint scanner, which has been quite controversial, but we're going to talk about how my experience has been with that. The heart rate monitor returns here for the Galaxy S8 series, but what's nice about this is it's under the glass. That's quite awesome to see that the flash and the heart rate monitor is under the glass. I've never seen something like that. And the camera is pretty recessed, so you might want to get a what I like to see here is that there's no more carrier branding. But I really enjoy it. It is a good one. At the bottom, we do have a USB-C port, 3.5 and make calls on the car. And you can see right there that we do have should be so let's go ahead and get into this device and look a little bit more about it. The Galaxy S8 Plus does bring a refined version of touchscreen here as well as the instruction. It is Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge if you have that smartphone here. What really changed here on the S8 is basically the hardware. They did clean up the icons a little bit, and that remains to be seen about that. For a first time ever on a flagship Galaxy phone, we do have capacitive home button keys here, which feel like capacitive keys that you feel on the home button of the iPhone 7 Plus. So it doesn't really, it doesn't really matter. I think the home button. The home button might still be your thing, but this is very similar. This button right here is very similar to the one on the iPhone 7 Plus, just it's not a physical button, but it does feel very similar. So there is a little bit of bloatware here on the AT&T model. See my AT&T, the DirecTV widget, and scrolling through the applications here, you can see AT&T. At least they bundled them into a folder, but a few pieces of bloatware here. I don't really care how to see all of those. Let's go ahead and check out the camera for the S8 Plus, and it's no longer on the home button. It is now on the power button. But taking a closer look at the right that I just took, let's take a look at it. You can see, of course, it is the camera on the Galaxy S7 Edge. But it does have an 18 the camera quality is really got stuff coming that you probably already want to see anyway. So yeah, camera reviews, Face Off versus the iPhones are coming, so stay tuned to the channel for that. Nick here, help you to master your technology. Like the video if you enjoyed it. I will catch you all in the next one, and peace.